Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a plan with me using this pool party full kit from Stickersanddoodles, which is my shop on Etsy. Here I'm sharing with you the 6 sheets of this kit, which you could find at the shop right now. This is for the May kit. I'm also adding a couple more kits this week, hopefully, until next week for June. And right here, I'm sharing with you guys that the half boxes has glitter on them because I love using glitter on my kits. Here we have the washi strip page, and this one I added the glitter headers to the kit itself. It's not an extra that you have to purchase, it's included in the kit. We also have a half kit, which I will be sharing with you guys here as well, and this has the same full box sheet and the same header sheet with the half boxes. The only difference is that this sheet right here has less deco and functional boxes on there, perfect for personal planning. Now let's begin using my Erin Condren vertical neutral planner that I have been using recently. I'm gonna add the washi strip at the bottom, which has marbling on there as well as some glitter. Now I'm just adding the glitter headers on top of that, and I did struggle a little bit on this plan with me and planning this week using these glitter headers because I couldn't figure out where to put the boxes on there, but eventually I did figure it out. I also have my mini happy planner to guide me through the week because that is where I pre-plan for the entire week, which is the 28th of May to the June 3rd. And here I'm gonna struggle a little bit, as you can see, with this full boxes. I didn't know where to put it and I didn't know how to line it up, and eventually obviously you will figure it out once you start using the neutral planner, and if you plan the way I do plan. I've added all the full boxes. I'm gonna add the sidebar now, which has glitter headers, a habit tracker, a work label, and then I also added the weekly boxes right here, another glitter header, and then I added the habit tracker again and a this week box, and I think this fits perfectly well on the sidebar. The pen that I'm using on this part of the video is the Pilot G2 in .05 or 0.5, I think, and I ended up changing that to the Stabilo marker, which is the .88 marker. And I did that because with using the Pilot G2, it still works on the glossy stickers, but it does need to dry a little bit more than you would for the Stabilo .88. It's just easier that way. Here I'm just writing on the to-do boxes, as well as writing that I need to pay for a couple stickers. I added in the dinner that day. I'm also filming this video on Wednesday and doing this narration on Thursday, so all of this has already happened. I also binge watched a little bit of Netflix that day because I was working a lot during that day. Also that day my mom went on a work trip and she was also returning on the Tuesday of that week, so that's just the day that I had to do a lot of chores since my mom is not in the house. I also did a pre-plan for the week. On Tuesday, I added a few more things. I'm just going to list down my to-do. On that day, my mom arrived from her work trip, and also that night was really hot. I remember it. It was really humid, and since it's still summer in the Philippines and I have my air conditioning on my room, my parents decided that they wanted to sleep in my bedroom, and that's okay. And it was also fun because we bonded a little bit that night. It was time for family bonding and I enjoyed it. Also on Wednesday I filmed this plan with me, so I marked that on my planner. I also drank iced coffee that day, and I wanted to upload this video on Wednesday, but eventually that did not end up happening because it's now Thursday and I'm just doing the narration for the video, but I will have this up on Thursday. So I just listed down the things that I need to do for that day, as you can see right here, and then we will be moving on to Thursday. Here on Thursday I want to upload this plan with me. I wanted to design new stickers, and I needed to order a few things for my clay shop, and I need to run a couple errands, which I don't think I'm going to be able to do today, and I'm going to move that to Friday since I do have a meeting on Friday. And I wanted to film another video for today on Thursday, but I don't know if that's going to happen, but I'm going to mark that on my planner also today, which is the faith planner that I want to start on my Mambi Happy Planner. For Friday, I wanted to use this heart checklist because I need to buy a couple more things for the shop, and as well just a little bit more of the groceries that I need to do. Since the weekend hasn't happened yet, I am just gonna add major things that I know that's going to happen during the weekend. The to-do lists I'm gonna write down during the day off. On Saturday, I want to release new kits for the shop. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I'm gonna mark it on the planner anyway so that I have to do it. I also want to do a new release video. On Sunday, I'm gonna take the day off work and do very light work on that day, and I also want the dogs to take a bath that day. Since it's really humid in the Philippines right now and it's hot, we need to take a bath a couple times in the month. And also the sale will end. I do have an ongoing sale at the Etsy shop right now with the coupon code, which I will write down below if you're interested, as well as the Shopee page for local planners. Now I just added the flags on top, which is a little bit bigger than the flags on the Erin Condren, just to make sure that it actually covers the flag on top there. And I also wanted to add some deco right on top. You have plenty of deco on this kit, which I ended up actually using more of throughout the kit. I did not end up using the date covers on top because I think the kit is busy enough to do that, and I was doing a white space plan with me on this one. And I think that's the last thing that I added on this spread this week, and that is the complete spread. And here are the things that's left on the full kit, which you could actually still use on your personal planners. And that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next. Thank you so much for reaching the end of the video. If you want to see more of my videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you could be notified when I upload new videos on this channel. And thank you again for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Bye!